You know, there are very few things that set us apart from the rest of life on Earth. At the heart of them, I believe, is our inexhaustible power of imagination. Imagination is the ability to bring into mind things that aren't present. With imagination, we can anticipate the future. We can revisit the past. We can step outside the present moment and try and see things as other people see them. It's through creativity that we develop our architecture, our scientific proofs, and our works of art. We don't just live in the world as we find it, we create civilizations, theories, technologies, and we reach beyond the planet.
In honour of the life and work of Sir Ken Robinson, TED-Ed invites you to reimagine the aspects of life we take for granted by finishing the sentence, imagine if. Visit ed.ted.com/imagineif to learn more.